Welcome to week 2. Now that you've found your exciting idea, we'll learn how to find your first 100 users by building in public. In this video, you'll learn how to engage in social media effectively and build in parallel with your future users. Building in public isn't just about transparency. It's also about learning, sharing, and growing with the community while creating something that excites you. Key takeaway number 1, share your progress daily. Document your journey. Your work doesn't have to be perfect, just post it. Build momentum by showing up every single day. Remember, the journey is as valuable as the destination, and a decent post is better than not posting at all. Here are some content ideas which you can use to tweet in case you're not able to find anything to tweet. And please, avoid GPT-generated posts. We can all see through those efforts. Key takeaway number 2, start conversations, not monologues. Don't just post updates of your work. You gotta engage. Reply to tweets, ask for feedback, support others, and DM people who vibe with your work. Real marketing is talking to humans, since they'll be your product's users. Personalized interactions go a long way. Here's an example. Elon, one of the founders of Pom.fun, personally messaged more than 3,000 people in its initial days. Through this, you not only get real user feedback, but also build a core community around your project. Key takeaway number 3, adopt an iterative mindset. When you're building, it's best to have an iterative mindset. Most of the things you build won't be successful in the first attempt, so you've got to keep pivoting your idea in projects. Pivoting is not limited to product and tech. It could also be marketing, community, methods of sales, and pitching. Keep experimenting. Key takeaway number 4, use proven content strategies. Like using visuals, they provide better impressions compared to normal posts in general. If you're okay with camera, go hard on pushing video-based updates. People love watching real faces behind those PFPs. And last one, get on Twitter Spaces. Pitch your ideas, share your journey, talk about your topic. Key takeaway number 5, share your wins, be it big or small, and losses too. Whether it's getting your first user, the 10 bug fix, or getting a follow from Vitalik, share it with us. We'd love to be part of your founder journey. Also show when things go wrong and what you learn. Failures make you relatable and real. Last but not least, be the face of your brand. Get to be known for something. Could be any topic or subject, or also a behavior. Like, think about it. What are all these folks known for? Like Vitalik, Mert, Shaw, Stani, or even Sandy. Get to be someone who people will remember you for. It takes a lot of effort, so start posting. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Use the hashtag #OpenFeedback, and we will resurface some of your posts and give you some feedback. Building in public is not just about transparency. It's about connection, iteration, and creating value. By focusing on authenticity, direct engagement, and learning from feedback, you'll not only grow your audience, but also create a product that truly resonates. So what are you waiting for? Start building in public today.